It's raining, it's pouring. This is a very old story, but as told by Ken Eagle and illustrated by Rob Gilbert. So do you see the old man? I like his purple bow tie. See the dark clouds in the background and the raindrops? All right. It's raining, it's pouring. The old man is snoring. He bumped his head when he went to bed, and he couldn't get up in the morning. My goodness, it is really going crazy and raining. It's cloudy, it's breezy. The old man is sneezy. Look how the author shows him sneezing. Do you see that? His mouth is open, he's ready to catch it. He blew so hard that he moved the stars. But of course, that wasn't easy. It's snowing, it's blowing. The old man is growing. He ate so much. One day for lunch, every part of him was showing. Oh goodness, he ate so much. Now he's popping buttons. It's warm out and sunny. The old man loves honey. Honey and sunny rhyme. He tries to seize a batch from the bees, and they didn't find it funny. They didn't want to give him any of their honey, so they're getting him. It's cool, damp, and chilly. The old man's name is Willie. Chilly and Willie rhyme. He tripped and fell in a big old well. Oh man! Oh my gosh! Did he look silly? It's gusty, it's windy. The old man's wife is Cindy. Cindy and Wendy rhyme. With ants in their pants, they started to dance and ended up doing the Lindy. The Lindy is a kind of dance. Whatever the season, cloudy, sunny, breezing, if he gets to bed without bumping his head, then the old man thinks it's pleasing. That's just a silly story, isn't it? And there is the tune. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He bumped his head, he went to bed and couldn't get up in the morning. Do you know that song?